What did you do? What'd you do to my car? What'd you do to my car?
Damon, if you really thought you were gonna leave your car at my house and Dave was the only car that we were gonna screw with, you're wrong. We got the whole avant-garde crew team at my house.
And Alex.
And Alex Perez. We got those eyelashes put on. But if you really thought that was all we're gonna do?
Big trouble, buddy. Damon, we're gonna put this in your car.
What is this, Mark?
We're not saying what it does. It's just a lot of scary wires and plugs.
Alex Perez and I were at the Snake yesterday. And we were brainstorming. We were like, what do we do with Damon's car? We can't just leave it alone.
Whoa!
That was an evil laugh.
That's all we do.
Like we're gonna put these eyelashes on your car and like a couple other stickers on your car to like
Just throw them off.
just throw you off. And it's like those.
You got off easy.
Yeah, I think you got off all easy. Oh, just a couple stickers, whatever.
You're actually getting it worse than Dave, just so you know.
Yeah, this is probably worse than Dave. Like Dave, like he already found out. Like that's all we did, just the stickers all over this car. Imagine he's like at a red light next to a cop, or like while he's at a traffic stop.
Activated.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
So
So we took his dial from 10 to 11 because he's gonna be completely helpless.
Why stop at 11?
because now we're adding some of Dave's flowers to Damon's car.
Now he's pretty like Dave.
Like Damon's gonna come back and see this and be like, "Oh, that's all you did."
I want to do Patrick Star on the wheels. Cause look, it's literally a starfish.
The jokes that can come from that are not YouTube friendly.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna do it or what?
Because like honestly, if he comes back and he sees that his car is like completely untouched, then he's gonna be suspicious.
So we have to do something to make
That's
him
what
not
the
suspicious.
eyelashes and the.
Like, there's no way. It's like he's gonna come back. There's no way my car is like there's something wrong with my car. And so, lo and behold, a mile down the road.
Yeah, this is way beyond Damon's skill level here, which
There's
is
no
kind of
way
on
he was gonna work
purpose.
this out.
I think everybody saw Dave's video and they're like, oh, he stickered his car, and it's like, little do they know.
Like, how are they gonna beat that? But then we do this.
So you need to be around us when he calls, because guaranteed my phone is gonna ring. Well, I figured what we'll do is we'll act like we're gonna fix it.
Imagine if Damon's alternator never broke. They would have come back home from Palm Springs last week.
Little do they know that this was planned all along. I saw Mark sabotaging the belt.
Yeah.
Just so we could turn around.
Like what if I
How else do you pull off it breaking right in front of the hotel? Coincidence? Let you decide.
I did it for the followers.
You enjoying your rap?
You guys killed it on this thing. We've been driving around for like the last hour and a half. The reactions are dead hilarious. Hey guys, we're getting photos. Oh, she's got a pink case too. Yes.
I think I need to invoice you for this. Like
Invoice.
150 bucks for the materials and then like
Okay.
$3,000 for the labor. You want to go check out your car now?
What'd you do to my car? I will kill you if you did anything to my car. Alex? Alex! What'd you do to my car? You said I'm not gonna notice it right away.
No.
So, is it because I won't notice it right away because it's something I have to go and look for? Is it an interior or exterior mod?
all the above.
Did you put bananas up my tailpipe? So I'm gonna start the car and is this gonna go?
This prank is so good that you're gonna sit there, even if it happens, you're gonna sit there and be like, how the hell did Choi do this?
Okay, now I'm intrigued. Let's go get my car.
Okay.
I'm legit a bit nervous.
We see. Oh, I see something.
What? What?
Oh, they got you.
Oh, you're not gonna figure it out just by staring at it.
Eyelashes. These are ridiculous. First of all, look at these things.
Look how perfectly they fit. The only bad
They
thing
do
is
perfectly
only
fit.
bad thing is they don't stick to your car because your car's ceramic coated.
Okay. No flowers. Okay, so what did you really do? What's the thing that like I need to...
Oh, you have to drive it to figure it out. You're not gonna figure it out just by staring at it.
Why do I have to drive it? You take the lug nuts still on there? Oh, that's dirty. And you're like driving down the road, wheel passes me. Alex is on the radio.
I'm not that horrible.
It out.
It's a prank, it's a prank. David's flipping over.
Yeah. What'd you do?
What fun is it if I tell you?
What'd you do to my car?
That was good.
What'd you do?
We didn't do anything.
You feel that one? The wrist is where it always goes. What'd you do to my car? Dave, you want to give it to him?
This is abuse.
You give him that? No. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. What'd you do to my car?
This is actually like assault.
It is assault. We have it on video.
Why are you so sweaty?
Ew.
Maybe.
What'd you do to my car?
Off camera, Damon tried to get me to tell him like what he did, what I did to his car. He's like, He's like, oh, tell me, I'll still fake a good reaction on camera.
What did you do? What did you do? Dave, what did he do?
Perez? What'd you do? What'd you do, Perez?
The hints I gave him were, you're not gonna notice until you start driving. He asked me how long it'll take to undo it. 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, right? Yeah. It won't like mess with your drivability. Trying so hard to figure it out.
What did you do, Choi? What did you do?
I told Dave that we didn't do a single thing to his car, just to like have him paranoid. So,
That's what you told Dave?
So I told Dave we did nothing, and he's acting like this over nothing.
Dave knows? You know?
No, I don't know.
Did I tell you? No, they didn't. Did they tell you? Did they tell you? Did they tell you? Did they tell you?
What happened?
Okay, let's go to Avant-Garde. I'll find out between here and there, I would assume. And if you did fix my rain light, thank you, because I love that thing.
You're welcome.
Alex, Perez will talk. He'll get him to talk to him. He's scared of you.
Oh, we were just talking on a different channel.
Follow you. I ain't scared of no one. We'll see.
No. We gotta wait for a cop.
You guys do to my car.
We're gonna turn left on Ventura. Right now, I'm just waiting for a perfect moment. I want him to like pull up next to a cop or like be at a crosswalk where there's an old lady before we hit the one.
Cops!
Oh, what? Hold on. Sending it.
Not even like a real cop. You can't do anything anyway. What did you do? I want to know now, Choi. What's worse than someone doing something to your car? Not doing something to him, but making you think you did something to it. Exactly. The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was making the world believe he didn't exist. But him and fire exist. Whoa! How can you honk when I honk?
No, that was my honk. You're so stupid, that was my honk. Alright, screw it. We have like a mile left on this road and it's now or never. You ready?
You can make my car honk.
Oh no.
You can make it do all this. Listen to it.
I'm just gonna leave it on.
So bad, everybody stop. He paired his remote to your car, make alarm go off.
Hold it down, hold it down. Whenever you're putting lights in your pocket.
So bad. Well, he has an extra key that he paired to your car. That's what he did.
Look at those kids.
This is so bad. Jesus Christ. I'd rather be in your car right now, dude. Alex.
Yeah. Look at this guy.
You saw like an African alarm in his car.
This is what
cheap one.
This is what controls his alarm and his honk. I have full control over.
Tell him to stop, Presley.
All right, fine, I'll stop.
You want to see Dave's car? Sure. Here.
Aw. That was Alex.
Watch, look at
Yeah.
Dave's car. Oh my
That's
god.
not me, that's Alex.
You guys. Look at Dave's car.
Hi.
Favorite thing on Dave's car.
Oh.
That's her favorite thing on the car. The googly eye Alex.
It's on your car too.
I know. I have a googly eye Alex on my car too. Is that the googly eye Presley? Dude, you're so cute. He saw you.
I saw you.
Now
Google-
Presley's doing
googly
googly eye
eye
Presley for you.
Presley, I think you need like a t-shirt.
We all need a 5-year-old in our lives, right?
Please tell me that prank wasn't good.
That prank's good. Yeah. And as soon as we're done dinner, you're undoing it. Listen, I need your help, okay? Listen. What should I do to get Alex back? What kind of prank? What kind of bad thing should I do to Alex? Tell me, what's a 5-year-old? No, we need
Oh,
something.
meanie.
We need something higher level than that. You did say that you guys would clean it off after, so.
And like 100 times.
The prank's been done. My car still honks and goes off on sirens randomly. I think taking the details off is the
Amir,
first
you
step
have to look at Damon's car driving down the road.
I can't control it. It honks. It has no alarms. It keeps going off.
Is he still a friend though? He's still a friend.
Aww.
It's content
I love
for
you
us,
too,
so you
Dave.
know it's more of a business. It's more of a business thing now.
You made that sound so bad. It's like this. Are Alex and I friends?
You guys, good luck with this. I'm leaving.
Alex,
Bye.
get over here.
Oh,
You're getting the honkies recording. my
nope.
car.
Good luck with it. I'm taking my car. I'm leaving. Bye. And the whole squad is here. Yeah, you guessed it. Tatsu.
That's coming out tomorrow.
Oh yeah. We're not gonna.
It's never coming out. Dave doesn't take a long time. Dave doesn't take long to convince. Go. This is a bad idea. This is a really bad idea. There's not enough space to do a donut here with an all-wheel drive car. Oh, he's gonna crash into something. He's gonna crash into one of these, like, he's gonna crash into that flower pot, I call it. He says back up.
Crank the wheel.
Not bad.
Should we leave now or what?
A little too close. There's a cop. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're good. That was close. Come on, Dave, I believe in you.
When the rear wheels spin too much, it creates it so that more of the power goes to the front, and it's never even.
The donut's right here, so we were like, oh, we have to even it out on both sides. So we put another donut mark over there. Hope you guys like it. Hey, I'll see you guys. Hey, take care. I'll be back, guys. I will. Oh my! What the hell did I just see? He's so done with his life.
He is not happy.
Big open parking lot, so Dave can fine-tune his little donut skills. God, I love those pink rims. Kind of butthurt that he took all the Hello Kitty off, but at least he has the pink rims. Drivable. What about this side? They're both fine. So that is not a cop, but he has like cop lights on, which is pretty much the definition of how you go to jail. Hey, I'll see you guys next video.
High five.
I mean, nope.
I'm already getting ready to take it.
Mark's dying.
Oh, damn it.